Hello, this is a 7 kilowatt portable charging station. And then here is ACE Foreman. Then here is going ahead of a national standard. What we're testing today is an SK to CE adapter cable. What is our C1 activity? We can see that he's currently showing that the gun is already inserted, and then the power is stretching really fast. It's 31 3 amps now. Then the power is 7 kilowatts. This is a 7 kilowatt CE plug. Then when we don't have a CE plug, what should I do when there is only this SK plug? That's okay. It's actually very simple. All we need is a line like this. You need a line like this. This plug is SK plug. Here is a CE plug head. First, we insert the CE plug. Then insert the SK plug. At this time, we set our power supply to 69. Okay, then we insert our plug-in again. At this time, its charging power will become 3.5 kilowatts.